Assalamu alaikum guys, how are you? I hope you all are fine and doing well. Guys, I'm Ashfaq Sen speaking from Punjab, Pakistan. Today I'm going to update you about the recent state of harvesting here in Punjab. As you guys all know that it is the season of wheat crop and this season is almost getting over now. As you can see before me that the wheat crop is almost ready and within the next couple of days it will be all gone and you will see the only field. Then we will be preparing for the next season. It will be bajra crop or something else maybe, but we'll see. As you can see, it rained just a few hours ago. You can see the signs here. That's why it is getting delayed, otherwise it would have been disappeared. That's natural thing. In April wheat harvesting is going on in this month. One after the other farmer takes his crop, and due to rain some of them are yet waiting. This color is quite amazing. I like this color when it is fully prepared. Then this color is really amazing. Golden yellowish color. It's really attractive for us. So that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed the video and will consider subscribing my channel today. Thank you very much for spending your few minutes here with me. Your time is very precious and any moment you spend with me, I really appreciate it. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.